Storm Team 29 forecast.
Good Friday evening, a pretty nice day. Temperatures with some sunshine did climb into the upper 40s and low 50s, 51 at the airport. Now those numbers are dropping and drier, colder air is working in. 44 currently, winds out of the northwest at 8. The dew point numbers will continue to fall as that drier air filters in. 38 already at the Valley Airport there in Weir's Cave. Northerly winds at 7. Some other numbers, we've got 42 in Orange, 42 in Palmyra, 41 there in Livingston, 37 currently in Waynesboro. As far as the current winds, you can see that there's been a noticeable increase in the wind speeds throughout the course of the afternoon. That general direction out of the north and northwest as high pressure off to our north across Canada builds off to the east. That funnels in the first ingredient, which is the cold, dry air, and temperatures by morning pretty much in the low 20s. Now, if you need to get things done prior to the storm on Sunday, tonight, tomorrow, you've got time to do it. Temperatures tomorrow cold, generally in the low to middle 30s. We'll have a lot of cloud cover, but a dry day, and then we gear up for Sunday. At this time, winter storm watches blanket the region, much of the Commonwealth along and west of I-95. These will be upgraded to warnings and advisories as early as tomorrow morning, but nonetheless, right now the current timing is 1 p.m. Sunday until 7 a.m. on Monday. Current thinking based on the latest guidance across our area is if you're near Route 15 and points west here across the Piedmont and the foothills, anywhere from a range of 5 to 8 inches of snow. A little farther to the east, lesser amounts, and then as you move into the Shenandoah Valley, the Blue Ridge Mountains, 6 to 10 to locally a foot of snow. And we do anticipate some type of changeover to occur, especially across the Piedmont of Central Virginia, and initially that would be some sleet. If that sleet occurs earlier, the changeover occurs earlier, you can expect the lower end of those numbers. If it occurs much later, then we'll probably be on the middle to high end of those numbers. So again, it's an evolving forecast. It should be a lot drier in terms of the snow consistency as opposed to the January 3rd storm. But as this gets going, especially as we get into Sunday afternoon and evening, we could be looking at snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour. But as mentioned, a changeover likely to occur, and any glazing from freezing rain would likely be a glaze to maybe up to 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch on top of the snow, mainly across Central Virginia. We'll continue to update, but obviously hazardous travel. It will become windy later Sunday night and into Monday. So things are quiet now. High pressure to the north building and funneling in that cold, dry air. Here's part of the energy with the storm moving down from Iowa into Missouri. A new storm will kind of take shape across northern Alabama. Look at the footprint already with winter storm warnings, advisories, winter storm watches, and those are some winter storm warnings across the Carolinas at this time. So there's kind of the footprint of the development of this storm. Again, the cold air established here for the weekend. We're quiet tomorrow morning. Temperatures start in the lower 20s. Lots of clouds around in the lower to middle 30s. And then Sunday morning, activities off to our south and west. It'll overspread the region off to the northeast as we head into the midday afternoon hours. Some of that snow will be heavy at times. That pink line's that little mix that occurs. And even if this is not just rain, it's freezing rain because sub-temperatures at the surface will be below freezing. Then the system pulls out on Monday. It'll be blustery behind it. But again, all those hazards at play, including the potential for some more power outages. Temperatures here tonight in the lower 20s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, the colder air here for the weekend, the winter storm on Sunday, and then some improvements on Monday, but the aftermath of the storm and chilly temperatures into next week, and we'll be dealing with the freeze and refreeze all over again.
All right, Eric, thank you. We will be